Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna be looking into how to install Visual Studio Code on your Windows machine. So for that I'll just quickly head over to Google Chrome and I'll just search for Visual Studio Code. Okay, so quick recaptcha here, and yeah, so we'll just go to the second link, first one being the advertisement, and we are on this URL code.visualstudio.com/download, and we'll just download it here for Windows. And as you can see, the setup is already started to download. So once this is complete, we'll just quickly go and install Visual Studio Code from this setup file. Okay, so the file is downloaded. I'll just run it from here. So accept the license agreement, default folder, and uh, okay, so start menu folder, and add these context menu and directory context menu so that we can like open folders directory from File Explorer to Visual Studio Code. So yeah. Okay, so if I click finish, it will launch Visual Studio Code. So let's just wait and see Visual Studio Code opening up. Now what we have to do is install a couple of extensions that will help us, like formatting and stuff like that. So for that, before that, there are like themes and file icon themes that are available, so that you can have some kind of formatting or personalizing your Visual Studio Code. So I'll just enter Control N and I'll just start typing. So as you can see, so I'll just type welcome to the college. So as you can see, this is the default font as well. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly open settings and I'll change some things which you can or cannot. So for text editor, there must be something called as font family, or I can just search for font. So yeah, so this is the font family. So I'll quickly just change this to the font that I like. So I'll just quickly write the name of my font here, which is Cascadia Code. Okay, so now my changes are saved. So this is the font which I wanted. I'll just increase the font size so that you can see it better. Okay, it's a lot better now. So this is the one thing that I did. Another thing that I'm gonna do is install the material theme. Okay, so I'll install this, which includes the theme as well and the icons as well. So darker high contrast is something I like, and for file icons as well, I'll just quickly go to preferences, file icon theme, and I'll choose material icons. Now as you can see, the icons that are displayed here will be material icons. So this is some basic formatting and personalization. After that, I'll just take auto close tag and auto rename tag. I think we are good to go with that. Sometimes you also need a bracket pair colorizer, which will kind of colorize the uh, brackets that we type in code, as you can see here, purple, blue, and things like that. So there's this. Okay, so with that we have our auto close, auto close, auto rename, auto complete, bracket parallelizer, some themes, some icons, and yeah, that's it. I think if there are any extensions that are specific to project, then we'll discuss it in the coming videos. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video. If you have any doubts, put them down in the comment section. If you are interested to join our community, there will be a WhatsApp link in the description box. So thank you so much, guys.